Welcome to our channel. Today we how to add an authorized user to an Amex account. Credit card guide step by step clearly. Sign into your American Express online account on a secure device and trusted network. If you do not have online access yet, select Create New Online Account and complete the registration first. After logging in, go to the account homepage for the specific card you want to manage. Double-check that you selected the correct card if you have more than one Amex card. Find and open the Account Services or Account Management section in the menu. Look for an option labeled Add Someone to Your Account or Add Additional Card Member. Click that option to start the Authorized User request. Read the brief explanation of responsibilities, limits, and benefits for additional card members. Confirm you are the primary account holder and authorized to make changes on the account. Choose the type of additional card member if Amex shows multiple options, such as additional card member or employee card. Enter the authorized user's full legal name exactly as it appears on their government ID. Enter the authorized user's date of birth if requested for identity verification. Enter the authorized user's contact information, such as address, email, and phone number, as prompted. Carefully check for spelling errors because the name prints on the card exactly as entered. Review whether a social security number may be requested for credit reporting purposes. Select whether you want the authorized user's spending to be on the same statement as yours, which is usually the default. Set a spending limit for the authorized user if the feature is available on your card. If spending limits are not available, plan to monitor transactions more frequently in the app. Choose the shipping address where the additional card should be delivered. Confirm any fees that may apply for adding an additional card member on your specific card product. Review the rewards and benefits note, because some benefits may apply only to the primary cardholder. Accept the terms and conditions for adding an authorized user or additional card member. Submit the request and wait for the confirmation screen or email. Save or screenshot the confirmation details in case you need to follow up later. Track the card shipment status in your Amex account under Card Management or Recent Activity if available. When the new card arrives, help the authorized user activate it by following the activation instructions. Add the new card to the Amex app or digital wallet if the authorized user will use mobile payments. Set a simple rule with the authorized user about purchases, payments, and what is allowed to avoid surprises. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.